Good morning, afternoon, night, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to the channel. This is our 2007 Toyota Tacoma that we have owned basically since it was new. We bought it with like 5,000 miles on it. It's got 215,000 miles now. This has been the absolute best truck I've ever owned in my life. We have wheeled this thing more than all of our rock crawlers, all of our trucks, quads, dirt bikes, all of that. This has been our adventure vehicle. And I've always kind of wanted to have like a little lift kit and bigger tires on it. And of course I was playing around on Marketplace the other day and boom, $300 lift kit for this truck. So let's do that. I think we'll lift the front first because that'll be the heart. Now, I don't want people to think we're building a squatted truck. Let's build the rear first. Get this shock off. Next, I'm going to take these U-bolts off. I'm actually really lucky. If this all looks new for a $200,000 truck, it's because it is. These leaf springs had a recall on them, and the dealership replaced them for free. New U-bolts, new leaf springs, all that. So that was a nice feature. There we go, that should be enough space. Now it's time to put the block in. Anytime you're doing these, you'll notice one side's fatter than the other. You always want the fat side towards the back, because that's going to kick the pinion angle up. This is, no matter what you're lifting, if you're using any kind of blocks like this, there's always going to be a short side and a fat side, and that's to help the pinion angle. If you do this backwards, which I've seen some people accidentally do, you're going to get the nastiest driveline vibration, or you're going to break something. Like, it's not good news. Make sure you do that right. Those were the old ones. I just snugged those U-bolts because I'm going to torque them. Book says 52. Let's get this new shock in here. Alright, that side's done. I'm going to go to the other side. I won't bore you with that. It's exactly the same thing. Both sides are done in the back there. Let's lift the front of this now. Alright, let's get this coil over out of here. I don't know what the solution is. This isn't fun though. Alright, look at that. It's something. Alright. Okay, there's no way I'm getting a new one in without taking the sway bar off. I don't know why I didn't move that sway bar in the beginning. This is going to be so much easier now. That certainly wasn't the funnest thing I've done today. Golly. Getting that sway bar out of there was nice. That definitely made that easier. And taking these bottom bolts out, that was nice too. These all bolted down. Try to get this bottom bolt in. Look at that. Let's get this sway bar back in place. Alright, that's all bolted back on this side. When I do the other side, I'm just going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to thread lock these bolts. Okay, we'll reconnect this link for the sway bar after I drop the nut on the ground. Okay, that's that side. I'll go to the other side and then report back. Alright, there it is, all lifted, looking good. Let's see what it looks like with bigger tires. And there they are. Those look pretty good. Let's take this thing off-road, get everything shook down real good, and then we'll re-torque everything.